Paris is unarguably one of the most beautiful cities in the world, the capital of France, of art, and of fashion. Paris is also the center of French economy, politics, traffic, and culture. Paris has many art museums and historical buildings. The Eiffel Tower is the most famous landmark of Paris, built by Gustave Eiffel in 1889. The Louvre is a museum with very famous old pieces of art such as Mona Lisa and Venus de Milo. It is the most visited art museum in the world. The Champs-Élysées is perhaps the most famous street in Paris and one of the most famous in the world. There are plenty of places to shop and eat. There are 1,000 things to do and see in Paris. Climb to the top of the Eiffel Tower, stroll down the Champs-Élysées, visit the Louvre, see many shows and exhibitions, or simply wander along the banks of the Seine. Stepping into this whirlwind that takes you from frenzy to romanticism will leave you with enduring memories. You will be much more proficient in French, and you will become aware of your ability to communicate in the language of Molière.